Hey yo, everybody. Hey, finally, I got some results for y'all. Today is day two of my trading futures journey from 1K to 2K, as you can see on my screen right now. Let me maximize this window real quick. Yeah. As you can see right here, my balance is around 2,000. You know what I'm saying? The market's going crazy. It only took me 2 days to make 2,000. Actually 1,000. So just to give you an idea where I stand. So just to let y'all know, it's been an amazing journey. I'm gonna close this trade so I won't lose my profits. I'm excited because it's gonna be less than 20 days for sure before I hit 10K. And y'all all witnessing this right now. So welcome back to my channel. My name is EFlatFTX. I'm excited to be with y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all some stats. There I am. I closed with $2,002.92. It's not a demo account, and it's still going down, but I'm okay with that because I don't have no FOMO, no fear of missing out. So let me show y'all my stats right quick. The markets were killing it today. We were having some fun. Just real quick, just so y'all can see what happened. Pretty much last night, I saw that the market was on the 4-hour. I like to use TradingView for this. So this is my thing. There it is. On the 4-hour, I had all my zones marked out right here. As you can see, all the color-coded zones that I teach y'all in my academy. It was here yesterday. Today's my birthday, by the way. Yes, sir. Today is my birthday. But anyways, it was around, let me go back here for a second. 2-hour. Yeah, here we go. A little snapshot. So this last night, Monday, leading to today, I saw all this imbalance. So guess what? In my mind, we were right here. I'll show you. As a matter of fact, I'll do a little replay. Pretty much last night was what? At the end of the day, it ended around here. This was it. So in my mindset, I said, well, the market's gonna go down to fill this candle, and then this week is gonna go all the way back up. And I'm gonna press play. And guess what happened? What I was thinking, it went down. So I took the sell. It went up, but then it went down. Right here. Right there, I took that last night. All of this. Woo! I'm telling y'all, it was crazy. I took all of that. So I was just like, whoa. So that brought me up, like about 1,200. And then and then, in the morning time around 6, all that, yep. At 6 in the morning, it went up. And it's like, it kept going up. And I was like, yo, this is crazy. And it stopped like around right here because right now we're on this down candle, this bearish move. So I said to myself, man, the 4-hour, gave it some resistance, some reaction, and then it went through it. It broke the 4-hour structure. And now it's been playing around with this 4-hour structure, still bouncing off of it all day. So I'm going to share my chart with y'all so y'all can see how I did. Oh, my Lord. Let me show y'all how I did so y'all could crack up. So this is how I did, y'all, right? So I traded 95 times from like last night to this morning. I ain't gonna lie, because it was my birthday, my day off, from everything. I just stayed up all night just to have some fun. I did 95 trades. I profited $3,918. My longest winnings was $1,606. That was last night at like 3 in the morning. And then I lost $2,885. And you just saw me win like $200 more. So I pretty much won $1,200 in one day. So is it possible? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, am I proud of my stats? No, but to come to show you, you can lose so many trades. And if you have good risk management, you can come back and win overall your goal. And my goal really is only like $300 a day, $500 a day. I did $1,200. So really, I don't have to trade the rest of this week if I don't want to, but I'm going to. Anyway, depending on the market conditions. And here's some of my history. My best time of the day, my strongest profits were right here, 3 in the morning. And then, of course, when the market opens from 8 to 9, before the market, 8 to 9. For some reason, I don't do good with the market's opening. I don't know if it's because it's too fast or if it's because of me. I don't know what's wrong with me. But bottom line, I don't do too good. Just so y'all know that it's not fake. Here's my symbol, micro NASDAQ, and then of course each transaction. And it was all on my birthday, the 19th. So yeah, there you have it, folks. This was a quick video. I just wanted to show y'all my journey, day 2 of flipping $1,000 to $10,000. So again, I'm telling y'all, if y'all looking for a part-time job or a business, whatever you want to call it, a hustle, and you want to learn how to trade with me, yo, just hit me up on the DMs. Y'all can hit me up on YouTube. And if you leave a comment, follow through. I respond and I try to help y'all out, but y'all don't reply. Y'all don't read the comments that y'all post it yourselves. And then we lose ourselves in the cyberspace. But if you really want to reach me, you can go ahead and find me. I'm Nuyorican FTX. I'm eFlat FTX, but you can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me anywhere, actually, and on WAP, my website. So hit me back. Yo, hit me up. Let me know if you're interested. I got some slots available for the holidays. I'm here to train y'all and get y'all right until y'all make it to the top with me. All right? So take care of yourselves. You have a good day.